Hi, I'm Alex, and this video will show you how to create an ingredient in CaterCloud. On your dashboard, select Manage Your Ingredients, then select New Ingredient. Here you can type the ingredient name and you can also apply a description. Once you have added your description, select Profile, Supply and Cost, and here you can upload an image of the ingredient. Next you can start to add the supply and costing information such as the supplier's name, the stock code, the quantity and the unit, and also the total cost of the item. Next you can add any conversions such as the total weight of the item, and you can also add any customizable additional conversions such as slices. Once you've added the supply and costing information, you can start to profile the allergens. You can do this by selecting any of the icons or choosing the drop-down boxes for the sub-allergens. Then you can add the nutritional information of the product by linking the item to our database of ingredients, or you can enter the values yourself. Once complete, you can scroll back up to the top and add an internal stock code, a stock quantity, and you can apply a storage area which can be created in your account settings. The final stage is to save the product, and next you can add any ingredient tags. This is useful for the search functions in your ingredient list. And that's all for this video. Should you require any further assistance or have any queries at all, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help.